Let me teach y'all how I make my songs real quick. So, this is what you want to do. So, me personally, I don't even see a difference. Honestly, when you put like 80, like as you can see, like there's 90. See, 100, that don't even matter for real. Like, that really just, that's the auto tune, like tone. Like, if you want to be strong as shit, but like, the presets I got that match my voice, I need my auto tune strong as shit. So, I got these two main presets, Osamason and Clear Atlas. So I use this for my main vocals, and I use these for my Atlas. So I'm gonna make a song real quick. Alright, so I'm finna record it though, and I got my beat from Wayne. So Wayne hooked me up with these beats. Probably it for this song, cause yeah, I was right. Cause normally when like the beats start dropping, then it's good. Alright, let's get to the Atlas now. We're gonna add another one. And then we're gonna pull up, get this shit. Oh, these are some new Atlas too. I'm kind of trying to test these out. I filmed this on recommended, but I don't even think they're there no more. Trending, yeah. As you can see right here, I do not like them. And then this is good. This is valid. That's why I saved it. But yeah, I think I just saved it again. Well, that's crazy. I don't even know what these are. Like, this is not angelic at all. Even got how to pitch out 100. This is good. The way I sound. These are yells. I made both of these, so if you Yeet fans want them like me, I will do a video as long as y'all just tell me. And I got 2093 Yeet. This is how my 2093 album is on SoundCloud. I made this shit a long time ago. When you go, things is the way you live. And then you can see this. Yeah, but anyways, these are also good too, but they vibrate. This is an auditory beat, type shit. I made like a couple like DG core songs, but like, it's just not for me, honestly. This is my first video though, so it's kind of bad. And I'm not new to making music, but I just like, I'm starting to like advance in like new like styles and shit. I like this song too much. In fact, I really didn't try that hard. I don't know, it's kind of weird because like I'm low-key recording this right now and shit. But anyways, I'm going to just post more videos and shit. But I'm sorry that it's pretty much disappointed. And by the way, I have like a little ass kid voice. I'm only like 14. So I really just don't sound like, I'm Mexican and white, so I just don't got that black voice. And also, this says Osamason, but this shit does not match Osamason that well. But anyways, I'm finna play a song for y'all that I made a couple while ago. And I want y'all to rate it because I haven't got a lot of mentions on it. But I guess I'll title this video like, how to sound like fucking Osamason, I guess. I don't even know, bro. I'll be using this shit like this just sound. I'd have good, like, auto-tune and shit. Anyways, I'm gonna give y'all the preset real quick. Yeah, I'm flying out. It's how they said it's bitches, yeah, they think I'm dead. Yeah, I go up, pull up, and I'm scared that motherfucking bitch, who your ass at?